One of the things I really do like about the approach of fall is that my garden starts to produce some amazing fruit. And today on Jay's World Kitchen, I'm going to show you how to use tomatoes in a very, very easy caprese salad. Now, this is a vibrant and fresh salad made using fresh tomatoes, some bocconcini, and some basil. It is really simple, easy to put together, and it's absolutely out of this world. First, we're going to start off with cutting up some of our bocconcini. Now, bocconcini is sort of a young version of a mozzarella, so it's slightly softer, slightly squishier, and we're just going to slice up these. Now, you can actually get these in very small, tiny little balls, and you can just make that into a salad if you like and chunk up your tomatoes, but we're going to actually slice this up for a nice presentation. And really, this takes no effort at all, and we're just going to gently slice it like that, and they don't have to be very thick slices either. Just like that. And we're going to set those aside and then prepare our tomatoes. And now for our tomatoes, very similarly, we're simply going to take off the end like that, and again, same sort of thickness slices as we cut our bocconcini. Just like that. Oh, these are nice and very, very fresh. And now the fun part, and that's putting all of this together. And we're really going to just start very simply on a plate with some tomato and then one basil leaf. Now, again, my garden's really producing great basil this year. So there's a nice one of those. And then we're going to take one of our slices of bocconcini and just lay it like that. And then another slice of tomato. And some more basil. And already the smell is just incredible. What I really like about this salad is the way that it looks, because it actually resembles the Italian flag, of course, with red, white, and green. And we're just going to keep repeating that until we've used all of our tomato or our bocconcini. Now, I didn't give quantities here, and the reason for that is because really it's up to you how many people you're going to serve, or how much of this you like to eat by yourself. So that's why there's no quantities, but so far I've used 2 tomatoes and 1 container of bocconcini. And we're just going to keep repeating that until we've filled our plate. And now, with a very little bit of effort, that's all sliced up and nicely presented. And we're just going to sprinkle a tiny bit of, and I'm just using kosher salt here, but you really just want any sort of coarse salt, just to sort of make sure that you're getting some on all of that. It really helps to bring out the flavor of those tomatoes. Just like that. And now a nice grind of black pepper, and you're going to want your pepper quite coarse, and we're going to just give it a good grind like that. And then finally, of course, would it be an Italian dish without some olive oil? And so onto that, we're just going to spritz some olive oil all the way around. Just like that. And really, it is just that simple. Put this together, and it already just smells so incredible. I can smell the tomatoes because they're nice and fresh from the garden, and of course you can smell that amazing basil in there too. I am so excited to try this. Let me tell you, there's nothing in this world that is better than a nice, fresh tomato right out the garden. That flavor is beautiful and bold. And there's this wonderful hint of sweetness at the beginning, a slight sort of acid tartness at the end, with the basil and the salt and pepper and that creamy, rich bocconcini. That's absolutely phenomenal. You have to try this, and if you do, I'd love to hear from you in the comments section below how this turned out for you. If you enjoyed this video, please remember to hit that like button, hit that subscribe button if you haven't already, and remember to turn on notifications so that you know when my next video drops. Now, I'd like to take a quick moment just to give a big shout out to all of my supporters on Patreon. Without their financial support, this channel would absolutely not be possible. So thank you so much. And if you'd like to find out more about how you can help support this channel financially via Patreon, please click on the Patreon link down below in the comments section and learn how you can help support from as little as $5 a month. Now, if you'd like to see some more of my content, you can follow me on all of my social media, and those links are down below in the comments section as well. Now, if you'd like to try some more of my side dish recipes, you can click on this playlist right here. Thank you so much for watching, and until next time, happy eating.